Who likes reading manuals or reading to begin with? Am I right? We hear you, and we hope you enjoy this video setup tutorial for the ROG Destrier, our latest gaming chair. So we have the legs of the chair, 5 wheels, a gas cylinder, the seat, 2 armrests, a headrest, acoustic panel, the backrest, a bag of screws, and a screwdriver. Let's start with the wheels and pop them into the base of the chair, and then build our way up from there. These definitely look like quality wheels, 75mm diameter for smooth and steady roll. And the wheels are made from PU or polyurethane, which is hard rubber. That's the same material used for skate wheels, for example. So they give you a little extra suspension and they won't scratch your floor. Next up, we attach the gas piston to the wheelbase. Now, before we install the actual seat, we have to combine the backrest and the part you'll sit on. You can do this on the floor, but if you can, I'd recommend you to do this on a table. You get a much better view and access to the screws that way. Get the 3 K screws and then use them to connect the 2 pieces. You can see that the mesh we use for the backrest and the main seat are totally different. We tried dozens of combinations of materials and weaving patterns to find the perfect balance of comfort and ergonomic support, which is very different for each of these 2 parts of the chair. To make sure nothing gets stuck between the moving parts, there's a seat base cover, which we pop on from below and then secure with the 2 end screws. Now it's time for the armrests. Check these out. Again, heavy-duty die-cast aluminum. Okay, find your L screws and pop in 3 on each side. Now we have to combine these 2 parts. We just slide the wheelbase into the chair assembly. The next steps are optional, the headrest and the acoustic cover. Start with the cover leaning into the chair, press on it here, and then pull it up so you can hook it in. The acoustic cover attaches via the 2 M screws here. The headrest uses the same M screws, and there's a cover to hide the screws that you just pop on. And there we have it. That was a lot faster and easier than I thought. I can't wait to take her for a spin.